Hi, everybody. I'm actually new to YouTube. This is one of my first videos ever. I go by Hollywood Rose. So today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing of a wig from a company called KLAIYI. KLAIYI. Um, I like doing, I wanted to do this because I feel like it's very helpful, especially buying hair online. You want to know if it's really good quality. So, yeah, it helps. So, this is exactly how it came into the mail. If you can see here, this is the company name. It comes in this really nice box. It says Human Hair Wigs. So, the one that I ordered was the Indian Wavy in 24 inches. So it also comes with this in there. It's a wig cap. It's probably not the one you want to use to install your wigs, but this is what it comes with. And it also comes with one of these cards to show you like how to take care of the hair. Um, so yeah, let's check it out. So this is what it looks like in the box. And it comes in this plastic bag here. It didn't take that long to get to me. I ordered it a little before New Year's, so it took about 7 to 10 days. So, it's made in China. Let's check it out. Wow, it's really nice hair. So, as you can see, it comes pre-plucked. This is the hair. They have options on there to get either Brazilian hair, Malaysian. This is their Indian wave. So it's really full and thick. Let's see, the ends look really nice. The hairline is pre-plucked. Probably do some more plucking, but you can see here. Um, I'm just gonna put this on my mannequin head. Alright. This is what it looks like here. You can see the front here. Looks pretty true to length. Looks really good. I'm really excited to wear this hair. It's supposed to be, the knots aren't really bleached. They're really transparent. I'm going to actually bleach them anyways. And yeah,